Click on the link below to get price. The Apple iPhone 15, 256GB, Blue Unlocked, Renewed Premium, is a remarkable device that combines performance, aesthetics, and functionality into a single sleek package. Upon unboxing, the first thing that strikes you is the beautiful blue finish, which adds a touch of elegance and modernity to the design. The 6.1-inch Super Retina XDR display is vibrant and bright, offering stunning colors and deep blacks that enhance everything from browsing photos to streaming videos. With 256GB of storage, this iPhone 15 provides ample space for apps, photos, and videos, making it an ideal choice for those who love to capture memories or rely on their devices for work. The A16 Bionic chip ensures that performance is top-notch, allowing for smooth multitasking and high-speed app launches. Even resource-intensive tasks like gaming or video editing run seamlessly, showcasing Apple's commitment to performance. The camera system on the iPhone 15 is remarkable, featuring a dual-camera setup that excels in various lighting conditions. The improved night mode captures stunning low-light photos, while the 48MP main sensor provides incredible detail. The addition of photonic engine technology enhances image processing, resulting in vivid and true-to-life images. For selfie enthusiasts, the front-facing camera also delivers impressive performance, making video calls and social media posts look fantastic. Battery life is another standout feature, comfortably lasting a full day without the need for constant charging. The fast charging capability offers convenience, allowing you to quickly power up and get back to your activities. With the device being unlocked, you have the flexibility to choose your carrier, making it a versatile option for many users. As a renewed premium product, it comes with the assurance of quality, often indistinguishable from a new device. Overall, the Apple iPhone 15, 256GB, Blue Unlocked, Renewed Premium, is an excellent choice that combines cutting-edge technology with user-friendly features, making it a fantastic investment for anyone in the market for a smartphone.